Just want to be your man, girl. So, gotta make you understand, girl.
It's the way you give your hand and your stylish girl.
Of course, I'm going to give you a couple of look ideas on how to actually wear the sweater. So not only are you going to be able to know where to get it from, you actually will know how to style it. Hey babe, if you're new here, my name is Ashley. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Before we get started on today's topic, I have 3 things that I need you to do. It's not a really big deal, but I need you to go ahead and do that for me, okay? First, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I know everybody's like, subscribe sis, subscribe sis. No, you're really gonna wanna be here because on this channel, you're going to get tons of fashion inspiration in the streetwear department because that is my preferred style of dress. So if you're a girly that's looking to get into the streetwear, street style, street fashion, you found the right page. Number 2, I need you to go ahead and turn on your notifications. That way you know every time your girl makes a new drop. In addition to fashion videos, I also do lifestyle vlogs, just the day in the life of, behind the scenes, all that craziness. You kind of get to see a little bit more of me and my crazy self. So anyway, when you hit that bell or when you hit the notifications, that's just gonna let you know every time I make a drop. I don't really have a schedule, but I'm definitely consistent over here, baby. Okay, and number 3, I need you to go ahead and like this video. That way I know a few things. For one, if you're new here, just go ahead and like the video. It kind of lets me know who all is new and tuned in over here. And 2, it just lets me know that you're actually liking the content that I put out. When you guys like, when you guys leave comments, it lets me know that this is in the right direction and it totally helps you, because that really is what this page is here for. It is simply to give you fashion inspiration where I take my personal style, share it with you, and you do whatever it is you want to do with it, baby. So I'm not going to even hold you guys up today. Today's topic, we're going to style, let me grab it, this sweater that went viral and crazy. This was basically the landscape knit coat from Zara. However, your girl was slipping. Okay, I totally missed when this was on sale on Zara. When it comes to Zara, there is always a copycat out there, someone jocking it, and they're gonna make a reproduction. So that was actually the case. So not only am I gonna tell you where you too can get this super cute knit coat, but we're just going to call it a cardigan. I'm also going to show you 4 different ways to style it so that you can have a variety, especially if you already have the sweater and you don't really know what to do with it. You came to the right video. I'm gonna give you a little bit of fashion here. So of course we're going to get up into that, but before we do, let's talk about who I am and why we're even here. Again, my name is Ashley. I'm actually the owner and writer for a blog called eatandbougie.com. Eatandbougie.com is the platform that I have created, and it's dedicated to what I like to call the bad babe lifestyle. So on the blog, you're going to get all type of fashion updates, way more than what you're getting here on YouTube, and you're basically getting food and cool things to do around town in the city that I live in, which is Jacksonville, Florida. So if you're a girly that likes to read, you're definitely going to want to click and tune in on eatandbougie.com. You're going to want to join the club and get all the updates to that. If you want more of Eat and Bougie, you can also find me on all the platforms, including TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. I update there really frequently. But of course, if not, stay locked in right here on YouTube. And that's all I got to say about that. So now that we got all of that out the way, let's go ahead and jump into why we're here. I don't know why they call it a coat, because it's more along the lines of a very thick cardigan, and it's long like a cardigan. However, not gonna lie, your girl was tripping. I did not get this from Zara when it first came out, and of course, just like every hot piece on Zara, it sells out quick. That happened to me, so I kind of had lost faith. However, you guys know all of these websites, all they do is just copy each other anyway. So Commence as well as Micah dropped this on their website, and I was able to grab this one from Commence. It took forever to come. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I ordered this a couple of weeks ago. It probably took like 2 to 3 weeks to get here. However, it was well worth the wait. When I say the quality is amazing, it's nice and thick. The only difference from my understanding between this one and the one that was originally on Zara, this one is not fuzzy. The one that was on Zara, whatever material they used, it was very fuzzy. However, hopefully you guys can see this. This is identical to the one that dropped on Zara. So of course y'all know I ain't no gatekeeper. I ain't here to hide it from you. I'm gonna leave the link in the description on how you can get this sweater of your own if you weren't able to get it when it dropped from Zara. And of course I'm going to give you a couple of look ideas on how to actually wear the sweater. So not only are you going to be able to know where to get it from, you actually will know how to style it. So if you already have this sweater, girl, and you've run out of ways to do it, I'm gonna show you a couple other ways, baby. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, babe, so for the first look, this is definitely going to be the most casual look for today. I actually just took some olive green like cargo pants, utility style pants, and I did this racer front tank top situation. Now the reason why I did the olive is because it pulls from the olive in the sweater, and as you can see, the sweater, I'm 5'2". The sweater does fit me fairly long. Now I did get a large on commence because at the time that I was ordering, it actually was out of stock. Hopefully that's not the case still, but of course I'm gonna leave the description of a couple of places that you can get this sweater. But this is a large. Typically I would do a medium, but your girl, when it's the panic mode, I didn't want to miss the sweater again, so I got what they had. So anyway, what I did, I just took some darker green earrings that go really well with my vintage green dunks, and basically this serves as a super comfy, cozy outfit to wear to the movies. I'm actually probably gonna wear this to the movies tonight. I told you guys I'm done telling you where to wear this stuff. You just wear it as you see fit. But this is definitely look one. Okay, babes, next up we have, which is probably my favorite look of the day. We actually took just an oversized button-down jean shirt, button-up dress situation. I like to just say it's a dress, but sometimes I wear this as an overcoat. I'll wear this as just a denim shirt that's oversized, but it is actually a dress. So what I did, I simply buttoned it up and left a button open, and then we took our landscape sweater or coat or whatever we're gonna call this and simply threw it over, because the colors in this is just so cute. It just makes that jean pop. And then for accessories, I just went with a simple pair of camel color thigh-high boots, or knee-high boots, and then I went with a contrasting or a monochromatic situation. And then for the bag, I just kind of did like a monochromatic situation, just like this fuzzy Brandon Blackwood Kendrick trunk. And then I just did some of my favorite pair of brown glasses or nude glasses, giving the same sweater a completely different look, definitely more feminine, girly, and it's still very much approved for the little bit of winter that we have left. For our next look, we took the cardigan. We just gonna call it a cardigan, okay? For the next look, we took the landscape knit cardigan. And if you guys know, you know I love the idea that you could take a cardigan, button it with one button, depending on, you know, how comfortable you are with this, and basically leaving the bottom open. So what I did, I just did the one button, and then I kind of threw this back behind me, just giving the same look. Now we kind of like have this elevated, casual but very cozy and sexy look that we did with the cardigan. And then for a bottom, I went with the also now very popular pleated sweater like skirt, and then a pair of thigh-high boots just to kind of bring out some of the purple. I went with this super cute Bottega cassette bag. And last but certainly not least, we did yet another super casual outfit. We just took some high-waist trousers, paired it with this super crop top that I found on Amazon, a simple shoulder bag, and a pair of low, kind of shiny like this bag, cowboy boots. I'm just giving you another casual way to wear your landscape knit sweater cardigan Okay, of course I told you I'm not gonna tell you where to wear it, but if you can wear this to, baby, I don't know. I just love how this piece can take even the most simple pieces like this tank top and trousers and just totally elevate it and give it a nice classy chic look, as well as a pop of color. So if just for that, I highly recommend you guys get this sweater. As you can see, it is just a super cool, comfy vibe. If you don't want to wear boots, this can be worn with a pair of heels. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. Knowing me, I would probably do this with like a black and white pair of Chucks or either like my Rick Owens to definitely give it even a more casual look. But this is just another way that this sweater can be versatile for you to get the most bang of your buck. So, and that's pretty much it, babes. As you can see, we took an amazing piece and flipped it 4 different ways, kind of giving you different ranges of looks to try with the same sweater, because in my book, anytime we can wear a piece more than 3 ways, it's a win, baby. So hopefully this will inspire you to not only get the sweater, but if you have it, you can definitely take the looks that we tried today and incorporate this with your everyday style. So of course, I'm gonna leave the link to how you can get your hands on this sweater. I believe it was like $55 on Commence, but I have seen a couple of sites that is selling the sweater, so I'll be sure to leave as many options for you. That way you can shop, compare, and save. That's pretty much it. If you love today's content, I already asked you earlier in the video, but this is just a reminder. If you made it this far, be sure that you give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it so much. Please leave comments. Let me know what you think about today's looks. Which one is your favorite? Which one can you see wearing with your everyday style? And other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. It's been real. I love you guys the most. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye.